Hello and welcome to Ragtime Design Studios. This is Rachel Johnson, and today we're going to share a simple little card and a few tricks with you using the adorable owl from Sale-a-bration. And I'll just show you that real quick. So, adorable owls, and it's part of Sale-a-bration. Spend $50, get something free, maybe this set. Alright, back to our card. We're going to stamp the owl. And I'll give you a little trick. Do you guys see the little blue halo around it? That's what we're trying to figure out. So I have one already colored here, but I'm going to show you how we just easily stamp him. And I'm using Memento ink because I'm going to color it in with our blenders. There we go. And then I colored him with the new neutral lines we had, and a cool Caribbean, and some old olive, and some Bermuda Bay, but I'm going to go around him with Pool Party. So if I just color right around the edge, he looks like he has a little blue halo, and this works really well if you want to fussy cut something out. So we just go around. And this is taking a minute. And my marker is squeaky. Alright, so he just has a little halo. And then we also need to stamp It's Your Day. And just to be a little different, I stamped it in Old Olive. On the blue. Those two colors worked well together. Sometimes your colors wash out when you stamp a color on colored cardstock. Oh, well, there's always two sides, so we'll get the other one better. Always hard to see with the camera over your head. There we go. And then I have a little trick for helping you make a perfect pennant if you didn't have a die to do it. I find the center and make a little snip as deep as I want the pennant to go, and then cut to it. So that's how I cut my pennants. A snip, a snip. There we go. So now I have all my components. Now we're going to get out our circle punches and punch a variety of circles. Or you could use some dies and get a variety of circles. But we did a 1 3/4, a 3/4, a 1 inch, and a 1 1/4. And I did use 2 of the larger ones. And I was going to pop the smallest one and the next smallest one. So I already put a pop dot on those two. And then I'm trying my trick again from the last video. I'm using our tear tape, and I stuck it on and already pulled a corner back to expose the sticky. See, and if you don't love that print, you might love the other side. And you want to get one of the dry corners set, and we're using a standard A2 card, and this mat is a 1/4 inch smaller at 5 1/4 by 4. And then just stick your sticky corners down and pull the tape. Makes things a little easier. And then I'm just going to stick this down. I think I actually pop dotted it. So we're going to put some pop dots on here. On a circle this big, you really only need about 3. So there we go. And I like to just dent them with my fingernail. And then they pop right off. Usually. There you go. And I stuck him in the middle, up just a little above center. And then we're going to put these on flat. And of course my pop dot's in just the wrong spot. But let me get some glue on here. Just going to lift that pop dot up so I can get it in there. And then our medium one's going to go there. The other large one's going to tuck under there. And then the next largest one, he's going to tuck in there. Oh, it didn't stick because I didn't pull that off. Let that one overlap. And then the other one on a pop dot, we'll have him overlap too to our main image. And he's going to go right there. Look how easy that was. Now we'll just add a little bow. I just took some old olive ribbon and tied a little bow. Put a little glue down. You could use a sticky dot or some liquid glue. And then to put our little pennant on, you can do the same thing. You can put some sticky dots, or you can put foam on either side, which is probably what I'm going to do so it sits over that knot. There's one. And you can always cut one in half if you don't have one small enough. All right. And then just put "It's Your Day" right over that bow. Look at that. Sweet and simple. Well, have fun being inspired by this card and make your own version. Use the circles, use different images, but have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.